How to change power of attorney, steps, timing, and legal tips. If you've granted someone power of attorney, remember, it's not set in stone. You can change or revoke it at any time as long as you're mentally competent. So, how do you do that? Step 1. Revoke the current power of attorney in writing. This is usually done with a revocation of power of attorney form. It clearly states that the previous agent no longer has authority. Step 2. Notify all relevant parties. That includes your current agent, any institutions relying on the original document, like banks or healthcare providers, and sometimes even the county clerk if the document was filed publicly. Step 3. Create a new power of attorney. Choose someone you trust and outline their powers in a new, properly executed power of attorney document. Depending on your state, this may need witnesses or a notary. So, when should you consider changing your power of attorney? Anytime your relationship changes, your agent becomes unavailable, or your health or finances take a new direction, those are strong reasons to reassess. And a quick legal tip: keep a paper trail. Deliver revocation notices in writing and ask for confirmations. Changing a power of attorney isn't complicated, but doing it the right way ensures your wishes are honored when it matters most.